Hello and welcome. In today's video, we will know about alphabet P, and its sound is P. P, P. Let's write it together. I'll start from here and end with here. Now I will draw a line between them just like this. 3 dots below P. Let's write it again. Start from here, end here, and join the dots. A small curvy line, 3 dots, P, alphabet P, and its sound is P. P. Now pause the video and write it by yourself. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel for more videos like this.